With today's environment going on right now, everybody's looking at how to automate their processes. Yaskawa's got great robots that can go into manufacturing locations and provide that automation. They do need some other equipment to add it onto them. That's where Benzl comes in.
Recently, we've redeveloped our Moto Eye software, and with that Moto Eye software, we used to be a single source sensor on this. Well, now we can use multiple different brands, one of which is the Benzl ScanSonic. Very powerful sensor, very good on different types of metals that we normally couldn't do in the past. So very shiny metals, aluminum, laser cut metals. We can now do seam tracking, seam finding with that Benzl piece and our interface. So something that we've worked very well together with that.
They've got a 3-beam design that's got some unique performance advantages relative to other sensors in the market. I've seen this, you can really park the sensor over the part. Within 5-10 minutes it's trained, and you can throw it at a range of material finishes and surfaces. It's a very easy sensor to use and also very robust.
Our sensors provide a lot of data for the robot. They can take in and give you information on gaps, information on mismatches, information on what the weld joint looks like. The Yaskawa takes that information and translates it into some adaptive technology. So if they see a gap, they can adjust weave frequencies, they can adjust travel speeds, change some amperages or parameters on the fly. You're able to know that you put the weld in the right spot with the right parameter set and come back through and inspect the face and know that that weld was perfect. That gives the confidence of the supplier to be able to ship their parts out and know that they're shipping out quality, good parts.